The following drama presentation that you're about to see is a reenactment of actual events. Names have been changed to protect identities.
Point values are double. We got top 7 answers on the board. After a good first date, the girl plans her wedding. What does the guy do? Nathaniel.
Plans his funeral.
Plans his...
Oh, somebody's at the door. Coming! Oh, hi. Good morning. This way. Come in. Oh, you have a lot of things there, ma'am. Daddy, this is Miss Suzette.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dear. Don't bother this, sir. Everyone calls me Master D.
Boy, Daddy, you're not easy, you know. Suzette, step over there and have a seat. Make yourself comfortable. I just want to thank you for agreeing to stay with my precious daddy here.
Proper take care.
You hear that, Daddy?
Morning.
Morning. We can get some tin mackerel and plain rice for breakfast.
You're gonna name me cooking, no? Very tired of my old father. I know I'm not gonna take care of him old father. I put on the water for bed, yo. So get up out of the bed. Me beg you take off your clothes. Oh, you do so long?
Suzette, beg you to help now, please.
For piano. How are you so long?
Suzette, beg you to help now.
Push it on. You know what I do this? Your breakfast ready. So you can still make the tea cool.
Beg you to help now, please.
Well, that.
What is? If you never have enough saltfish, make you never cook something else.
Oh, well. Yes. Girl, lie down. Vaccine. Yeah, girl. But they upon a piece of dirty work. But tired of them and them old father. I don't know what them don't come take care of him. Yeah, girl. But don't like the man. I doing some things. Girl. I can't bother with that woman, yeah. I have no credit. I still call her back at done. I mean, still call her back, Maxine.
Suzette! 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 Come change me now. Suzette! Come change me.
Nah, don't.
Suzette! Come change. Change me now, please. Suzette! Suzette!
Sure, me tell you to watch them damn piece up something here, you know. And ugly old red man stop calling me. Master, me have a young girl can gain. But you have to sign over everything to her. you have an infection, but if you have a condom, I will give you peace.
Come out of my room. God.
Hi, Daddy. How you doing? Let me tell you what's been happening.
Food that you have?
Yeah, you want some? You want it? All right, Daddy. Wait, let me help. Daddy. Oh, yeah, I'm so hungry. Daddy. You're eating like you haven't had anything to eat all day. Oh, man.
I'm back tired. I want to lie down.
Yeah. You need my help, Daddy?
Yes, dear.
Okay. All right.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Bed sore? Daddy, how did you get bed sores? And you have a caregiver living with you. It's my father. Bed sore. Daddy, a soup.
You leaving?
No, Daddy. I'll be here until tomorrow.
Suzette, don't raise me up, man. Please.
Jesus Christ! You're gonna kill him! Daddy.
That's how she treat me all the while.
Dad, Mr. I must know the one wicked suicide they had to Daddy. Somebody need to come take her out of the house right now. Dad, that wicked girl suicide myself. If me touch her to death, somebody will come down and want her out of the house now. Morning, Daddy.
Here. What time you leaving?
I'm not sure yet, Daddy.
You can bathe me before you leave, please. Bathe me before you leave, too. Come help me to the living room.
Okay.
Look what me come to. Look what me come to, eh? Look what me come to. Mama! Mama! Look what me come to. Look what me come to. Look what me come to, eh?